Hello and welcome to Trainroop. Today we have another product review, the Norwegian teak passenger coaches from NM Yacht. NM Yacht was kind enough to lend us 3 for our show and we agreed to review them. The model we received were from a pre-series, so there might be slight changes to the final product. When this series of cars was announced last year, it caused quite some stir in the Norwegian model railway scene, as highly detailed cars of this type had been missing for years. Rocco made several series, but that's probably 20 years ago. So you could buy used one, which have increased in price over the year, as these popular models are quite popular in Norway. You had to spend at least 600 kroner, about €55, for a used one. The carriages come in a rather sturdy box that looks more like the one used for delivering of locomotives than cars. NM Yacht produced 8 different versions of this car in this series. 2 sleeper cars with different road numbers, a combined restaurant and seating coach, 4 different second class coaches with different roofs and road numbers, and a combined cab, luggage and passenger car. We didn't get any of the second class passenger cars, and more road numbers may come in the future. As you can see, the models are very detailed. The handles are freestanding and painted in metallic colors. The different details are also painted in different colors. The lettering is very legible. The interior is also very complete and painted in different colors. We just need to put passenger inside. As they are not our models, we didn't open them. The wheels have spokes, which was common at that time, but they didn't use normal full wheels axle, which are industry standards. The cars have built-in lights, so they look great at night. They have built-in capacitors, so the light should not flicker. But in the training, running characteristics are just as important as looks. We want our trains to run without problems. We ran the cars for several hours on the Hegedal layout and didn't have any problems. We didn't notice that we had the new cars before anyone else and they liked them very much. But then it was time to test it on the main layout, as it has much more challenging track geometry. As we are using Märklin tracks, the lighting will not work, so we would have to convert it. It doesn't seem too complicated, but you can't have a picket on every car, so you might need a power coupler. Another thing I noticed is that the cars don't roll as well as the older Rocco cars. This could be due to the power pickup on each wheel, and we didn't lubricate the axles. This will not be a problem on a small layout, but if you decide to have all 8 cars and your layout has some gradients, using the matching EL11 or 13 could cause some problems, as these locomotives are quite light. The cars had no problem running on any K and C tracks with the DC wheels when pulled by a locomotive. We did encounter some problems when pushing the cars through the small radii. We used a standard bow coupler, but better results could be achieved with short couplers. I think NM Yacht has done a great job with the cars, as they look very good. But the high rolling friction could be a problem if we decide to run them on our main layout with a long train, and we like long train. The price is 1150 kroner per car, about €100, but the cars come with built-in lights, so I think it's a very fair price for this model, considering the quality of the detail and the fact that the model will not be produced in large numbers. So, would I buy it? I don't think so. Not because it's a bad product, but because I have no emotional attachment to these vehicles. I moved to Norway long after these carriages were transferred to the museum. Besides, it's not in my collection area. But Sven, Magnus and Jon have put it very high on their wish list.